Hello and welcome. This video will show students how to use Primo to run a search. First, go to regent.edu/regent-library/ and then click on the Primo tab. Primo is the library's discovery tool that we use to discover books, journals, articles, streaming videos, and other type of sources. So here you can type in a keyword here in the first bar, or you can go straight to advanced search. For this video, we'll go to advanced search. And this is the screen the link should redirect you to. Let's say we're researching church helping the homeless. Well, here you wouldn't type that entire sentence into the search bar. Instead, you can come here and type in church and homeless. And what these filters do over here to the left is they include both these keywords together, but not, in a sense, church homeless as one title. It'll search for both these words independently. And another thing you can do is hit add a new line, and you can do things like not, and then you can do church homeless, not poverty. If you want a narrow search on homeless, you can run a search church and homeless, not poverty, and see what comes up. And here you can see how the keywords are being matched with our search terms here. Now, once you run a search, you can use the filters over here on the left-hand side to help narrow even further. So here we'll go ahead and click articles, peer reviewed to ensure that they are peer-reviewed sources. And we can use the publication date to change the filter to push more recent articles to the top of the page. So here I'll search for articles that are 2 years old. So I'll do 2012, and then refine search. And as you can see, we narrowed down the search significantly from millions of sources down to 4,000, which is way more manageable than just millions that you can kind of scroll through, search. And right here we have an assessment of needs of church coordinators providing meals to a homeless shelter. Now this here is an excellent source. And once you click on it, you'll see the options for accessing this article. So here it says sign in, which all students will have to sign in. So I'll go ahead and do that now. And after signing in, you'll see that this article is available in these databases. And then another cool feature of Primo is if you scroll to the bottom, some of the articles have citing this, and some of them have citing in this. So this work has been cited by other articles or books. So if you click on this, you can see that this article cited that article we had. And that's just a cool feature that students can use to help if they find one really good article and it has that option. You can start to find different sources and start finding the different citations in finding that narrow field of research you want. And then here you have the subjects on where all this article falls under. And those subjects appear too in our search over here to the left using filters. So if you click one of these, it'll focus in on just that subject. Now, Primo also gives you the option to lock your filters. So if you click remember all filters, you can run a different search and it won't get rid of the filters you've already selected. So if we're going to look for church and poverty, not homeless. And remember, this will look for church, poverty, but exclude homeless from our keyword search. And right here, you can see that it kept all of our filters and it gave us church and poverty, poverty and COVID-19 pandemic, a challenge to the church. And here's an option of find sources cited in this. So if you click on this, you can go down and use this to further find other sources that are of your narrow topic. And another cool feature is if you just want church homeless, where you want those words together, you can get rid of all these filters. And then put this search in quotation marks. And this will search for this exact phrase. See how it says church homeless here? It's searching for these two words together as an exact phrase because of the quotation marks. And that is how to run searches on Primo. If you ever have any questions, you can always get in contact with the librarian and we will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.